We're making a video. Your face is so bright.
No.
Okay. Can you tell me what this is, Dina?
A dragon?
No, can you say giraffe?
Giraffe.
Giraffe?
Giraffe.
Can you tell me what this is?
That's a shovel.
A shovel. Can you tell me what this is?
A pan.
Can you say oven?
A fan.
Can you say stove?
Stove.
Can you tell me what that is?
A chair.
Can you say pajamas?
Pajamas.
Pajamas.
And a door.
What's this?
An orange.
Orange.
Look like an orange.
Can you tell me what that is?
A balloon.
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 Good job. Can you tell me what that is?
A hairbrush.
A hairbrush. Can you tell me what this is?
Clothes.
A dresser.
A dresser.
Can you tell me what that is?
Grass.
Grass. What's this?
Saucy.
A zebra.
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 What are those?
Scissors. We cut on a paper.
You do. You're right. What's this?
A seal.
A skunk.
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 What's this?
A spoon.
A spoon.
Spoon.
Good job. What's this?
A snake.
A snake. What's this? You're right. You have snakes.
This.
What's this?
A cup. And apples.
Can you say milkshake?
Milkshake.
What's this?
A dragonfly.
No, it's a flag.
Flag.
What's this?
Glue.
What's this?
TikTok.
Clock? Yeah. Can you say clock?
Clock.
What's this?
An apron.
What's this?
A choo-choo train train.
Choo-choo train train. What's this one?
Looks like a treat.
It's a pretzel.
Pretzel.
What's this?
A cheese brush.
A toothbrush. All right, we have one more side. Can we do it? Can you say this?
Piano.
Piano.
And a cup.
Okay, we'll get there in a second. What's this one?
An apple.
An apple. What's this one?
A grate.
A rake.
Rake.
What's this?
A bed.
Well, okay, that's a bed, yes. That's a crib.
Rib.
What's this?
A rabbit.
A rabbit. What's this?
A bike.
A book. What's this?
We're going to
A hammer.
a hammer.
What's this? What's this one?
Thumb.
Thumb. What's this?
Sun.
Can you say dishes?
Dishes.
What's this?
A rattle.
A ladder. What's this?
A slide.
What are these?
Teeth.
Teeth. What's this?
A tall.
Guitar.
And a TikTok.
That's a watch. Can you
A
say
watch.
watch?
And a cupcake.
A cupcake. Can you say muffin?
Muffin.
What's this?
A frog.
Can you say yogurt?
Yogurt.
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 Can you say vacuum?
Vacuum.
Good job. Can you say towel?
Town.
I don't know what that's supposed to be. Can you say bar?
Paw.
Bar.
Ball.
A swing.
S.
A swing? Can you say swing? It looks like a trapeze bar. I was like, what is this? What's that?
A weave.
I think it's supposed to be a feather. Can you say feather?
Feather. Put on your head.
Yeah. And can you say bottle?
Bottle. And put soda.
Soda?
And drink it.
You drink the soda? All right, can you say bye to the camera?
Bye.